Let's make roasted baby potatoes. Rinse and dry 1 pound of baby potatoes and place them in a large bowl. Next, add about 1 cup of peeled, boiler, or pearl onions. Then, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, take 6 to 8 cloves of garlic and give them a good smash. No need to remove the papery skin at this point. Add those to the bowl. Next, add some salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Then add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or add the salt after the oil. Then about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for extra garlic flavor. Give those potatoes a good mix with clean hands or wear gloves. Then, add them to a sheet pan. Line the sheet pan with tin foil for easier cleanup if desired. Then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Allow them to cool a few minutes before serving. Add extra seasonings as desired. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com. The link is in my bio.